2019 Fiat 1.2 S. Lovely grey colour. 47,000 miles. Unfortunately, the Cat S, it was vandalised. All the glass was broken and there were some dents on the bodywork. I have put some pictures up so you can see what the damage was. You've got a half leather interior, half cloth interior. Drives really nice. It's got MOT till May, and it will be serviced for the new owner. Nice little car, decent mileage. Looks lovely. It's like a Audi VW group, like Audi, like a nardy grey colour. It's nice. Interior is nice and clean inside. No rips and cuts. Flat bottom steering wheel, cruise control, media center, air conditioning. Nice little car, nice sporty little car. Looks the part, USB there. Hope you enjoy the video.